In the heart of Rosebank, Pickering, where nature's artistry is showcased in the form of tree-lined streets and serenity prevails, we proudly present 379 Woodgrange, a true embodiment of luxury living. Nestled on a dead-end street, 379 Woodgrange is more than just a house. It is an oasis of tranquility. Surrounded by lush greenery and the serene Rouge River ravine, this is the ultimate sense of privacy. I'm Natalie Costello, the founder of Natalie Costello Real Estate, and it is my immense pleasure to present to you this magnificent home. Let's go inside. With 5 bedrooms and 7 bathrooms spread over 6,000 square feet, this residence is a true testament to luxury and space. Prepare to be captivated by the awe-inspiring views that unfold before your eyes, as if nature itself has orchestrated a private show just for you. The extraordinary 37-foot curtain wall windows encircling the living room area is a masterpiece, framing million-dollar views like you've never seen before. The 2-sided fireplace exudes warmth and charm, creating an ambiance of comfort and relaxation throughout these magnificent spaces. It's an invitation to unwind and lose yourself in the tranquil moments. Step into the dining room where every seat has a view, making it the perfect setting for hosting friends and family all year round. The heart of this home, the family-sized kitchen, awaits your culinary adventures. With a convenient walkout that blurs the lines between indoor and outdoor living, it's ideal backdrop for unforgettable gatherings and celebrations. Complete with a 400-square-foot rooftop terrace overlooking breathtaking 270-degree views of surrounding beauty. No detail has been spared in this home. An elevator, indoor pool, and a hot tub provide all of the amenities you'd expect in a property of this caliber. What truly sets this property apart is its unique setting with only one neighboring property, ensuring the utmost privacy and seclusion for any guest. For those with a passion for cars, a 3-car garage has ample driveway parking to ensure your collection is always well taken care of. 379 Woodgrange in Rosebank, Pickering is more than just a home. It is a testament to luxury, privacy, and sophistication. Thank you for joining us on this journey through one of Rosebank's most exclusive properties. If you're excited to learn more about this, please contact me at natalie@nataliecostello.ca to make this incredible story your own.